What is pin direction option? When this option is enabled, an arrow is displayed on the input and output of a component, indicating whether the pin is output or input. By default, it is enabled and it is recommended that you keep it on. Let's disable it. Right click, go to Preferences, Schematic, General, and here click Uncheck the pin. OK. As you can see, the arrows have disappeared from the pins. Let's enable it again. Right click, Preferences, Schematics, General, Pin Direction. OK. As you can see, the arrows have appeared again. Whether enabled or disabled, the arrow did not appear on this component. That is because it only works if the pin's electrical type is already specified as input or output. Let's compare the properties of these two components. First, click this, select this, go to its properties by either double-clicking on it or right-clicking. You can go to its properties by right-clicking from here or double-clicking. You can go to properties here, and it has three pads: general, parameters, pins. Go to the pins, and these pins correspond to the device's input and output. See here we have pin 1 as input. Let's go here. We can double click on this or right click and edit pin like this. Double click and this window appears, or right click, edit pin, and the same window appears. Here, as we can see, the electrical type of this input is specified here. That's why the arrow, the pin direction appears here. Let's look at the pin 3. Double click. Its electrical type is also specified as output. Let's see how is the characteristics of this defined. Double click. Let's go to pin 1. Double click. As you can see, electrical type of it is not specified. Since pin 1 is input, let's make this input. OK. And now you see an arrow here indicating the pin direction. Let's go to pin 3, pin 2. Right click, edit pin. And since pin 2 is output, we will change the electrical type here. As you can see, its electrical type is not specified. Click, output. And now we can see that an arrow appeared here indicating that this pin is output. And that's how the pin direction setting works. Thank you.